from the land of light and cradle of civilizations, from the land of hope, the gate of the sun, victories and glory, from Syria, the pearl of the East and the epitome of human creativity, where history has a voice and the future exists, from the land that is still resistant to uplift its future in all sectors. From here, the story began. In the 90s of the last century, ZANOBIA company began establishing the most important factories for the manufacture of ceramic, granite, and bathroom sets in Syria to form one of the most important pillars of the national economy as a result of the diversity of its giant projects in the fields of construction and reconstruction, and its keeping pace with the rapid industrial development and its strategic vision. ZANOBIA company occupied an important position on the map of the main industry in the Middle East region, through which it was able to be a major axis in the development of the industry, in order to preserve its important position in the industry map at the level of the Middle East and the world, and believing in its mission to raise the local industry to the highest international levels. It continued to pump new investments, as it established several factories in which modern industries were introduced to the local market, such as aluminum, paints, plastic pipes, and packaging, with the aim of creating industrial entities that contribute to diversifying production and increasing production capacity. The company has recently established a factory for the manufacture of gypsum board boards to compete with the largest factories in the Middle East and the world, using the latest German industrial technologies, which is one of the latest findings of modern science in high-quality industry in the fields of cladding and decoration solutions.
To make a good plasterboard, you need to take care of the quality of the raw materials. Beginning with the most important raw material, that is the gypsum rock. The gypsum rock comes from the nature, from the quarry. There you need to see, there you need to look very carefully where you find the rock with the best purity, with the best quality. So the quality must be should be above 90%. That means you have not too much impurities inside the gypsum rock. The second very important raw material will be the paper in Europe or other countries.
The total capacity of gypsum board is 3,000 square meters per hour, covers the needs of the local market, and is able to export to neighboring countries. In order to meet all needs, the company produces gypsum boards for several sizes, specifications, and multiple varieties that are resistant to sound, moisture, and fire to suit all engineering options and satisfy all tests at economical prices.
German DIN 520, and in this DIN is written what are the dimensions, thickness, brightness, length. For the edges, you have 90-degree edges, you have edges with the tape, and you have edges round, half round, round. And all you have to check and you have to work about it to produce a very, very good board.
ZANOBIA products are considered a real guarantee in customer choices, due to the precise manufacturing stages and quality tests carried out by manufacturing and quality control experts during and after the production stages, to provide aesthetic solutions in the fields of cladding, decoration, and interior design.
Okay, on our machines, on our plant, we have 3 different test periods. The first is on the mixer. You have to look for the quality of the slurry. Then on the extruder, you have to look for the performance, thickness, brightness, that you have full edges. This is very, very important to take the set points and the slump diameter. The second tests will be on the knife. On the knife you will test the brightness, the thickness, the dry bonding, and you have also to check for the stacks which is coming out.
ZANOBIA is committed to quality and customer care, as it sets high standards and specifications that distinguish it from its competitors by using ingredients and primary raw materials that conform to international standards and from various sources known for their high quality, with any of their basic characteristics when manufacturing them.
ZANOBIA for gypsum board is it's made of German technology because all machines here are prepared in Germany from high quality engineers, and the machines are very offensive and don't have any problems. So the production here will be very good and everything will be like German quality, very perfect and for a long time.
ZANOBIA Group has an interconnected network through showrooms and sales centers in all Syrian governorates, in addition to owning a large fleet of vehicles for land transports, which gives it a logistical and competitive advantage in comprehensive coverage throughout the Syrian Arab Republic.
In my opinion, the most important standard which we implement here is flying recipe. You can change all parameters from plasterboard and all devices will be adjusted automatically in move. It's not necessary to stop production, stop all line to change, for example, length of the board, width or thickness. All factory have the highest level of safety. Everywhere you have safety devices to switch on the waves with actuator.
ZANOBIA decided to create new job opportunities for national cadres, competencies and hands, which enhances its role in shaping the promising future and industrial and societal development.
International quality may be better than quality in Germany. Das werde ich auch in Deutsch sagen. Also die Qualität von den Platten, die hier in Syrien hergestellt werden, in Damaskus mit Grenzemaschinen, die werden so gut oder besser sein als die Platten, die auch in Deutschland hergestellt werden. Und da kann sich jetzt mit der sie den Markt beherrschen.
ZANOBIA is a pioneering, long-established company that was built with deliberate and steady steps on advanced scientific basis, due to its distinction in management, vision, and human and industrial competencies that are different from others, which enabled it to maintain its distinguished position in the market on product quality, customer service, enhancing its brand, applying the latest security and safety policies, and developing a business model at the highest international levels. ZANOBIA company, with its experience for more than 25 years, was able to engrave its name in letters of gold by obtaining many certificates and privileges that translated the greatness of the Syrian industry and its ability to compete and rise to the world level through the vision and forearms of its sons, who took upon themselves the responsibility to raise the slogan, "Made in Syria." ZANOBIA company seeks to transform the vision into reality that pushes the industrial sector to build a country and the future, and make it more diversified, advanced and productive. ZANOBIA company, Syrian industry, in Syrian hands. ZANOBIA, the finest choice.